President Ferdinand E. Marcos, better known as the Apo Lakay of the Philippines. Isa sa pinakamagaling na naging presidente ng Pilipinas. Ito ang kanyang final statement bago siya namayapa. In his interview with the media while in Hawaii, President Marcos gave the following statement as his final words that all Filipinos will never forget. Ang sabi niya, "It is my hope that history will remember me as having created a certain institution or created the institutions that brought about the attainment of our objectives for the people." Many of Filipinos do not know that Marcos was a great lawyer. In fact, he originally authored more than 6,000 laws. Majority of them comprises the current 1987 constitutions of our Republic of the Philippines. He was a brilliant man, the one who got the highest score in the history of our bar examinations. Also, FM Apo Lakay built so many infrastructures project that no president or perhaps anybody can ever build a legacy that lasts for a lifetime. Things that all the future generations shall enjoy, even by those who opposes him and considered him as their enemy. Lahat ng mga ito ng mga infrastructures ay hanggang sa ngayon ay ating ginagamit at nag-enjoy tayo dito, katulad na lamang ng mga highways at mga tulay na napakatibay. A great man indeed who loved his country so much, even up to the point of being betrayed by his friends and countrymen. Thank you so much for watching our channel, and don't forget to subscribe and click the red button down below. Hanggang sa muli, ako'y magpaalam na maraming salamat.